Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how you can repair cigarette hole in our car, truck or SUV or any another vehicle's seat. And now I have really cigarette hole in there in my seat, and let's go to look at how I repair that thing. There has been happened that someone has been dropped in their cigarette, and now when we look in that area we can see just in here there is hole in that area, and let's go to look that hole closer. Okay, and this hole is really in here, and it looks like bad because we can see this white mattress in here down, and especially when all other areas are clean in this my seat. And now there is this really dirty white spot cigarette. There is cigarette has been dropped in here, and its distance is like half inches, 1 centimeter. And how we can repair that thing? Firstly, we have to go to look items that how we repair that. Okay, and what we really need for that repair? Firstly, we have to purchase this excellent Sika glue, because this is elastic and extremely durable, made in Switzerland, Europe, Sikaflex. And we can purchase this stuff in Amazon.com or eBay.com, and especially Sika 2221 is my favorite, and we can get in these different colors. And now we have to choose black color. This is like inside black, and this cost about 10 to 20 US dollars per this one bottle. And then we need sharp this knife, like this mattress knife. And if you can get these Japanese like KDS L11, these are the best because steel is the most sharpest, and this is made in even Japan. And we need like now sharp knife because we have to do cuttings in our seat, and also we cut this spare part material. And then we need small spare part material what is like 3 times bigger than this our small cigarette hole. And the cigarette hole was about that size, like 1 centimeter or half inches is this diameter. And now we need to find in some area black material. If we have black gloves, we can cut in here area what goes like in down of that hole. There is this hole, and that area we cut, and we install this part like in spare part. But this my leather is not good because this is brown and I need black leather. And that's I was so lucky that I have in here old Honda Civic cars front seat cover. Can you believe? This is from Honda Civic, and Honda produce really excellent stuff. And we can use this material, what is there. This is like something, this synthetic plastic, or then especially this seats upper area. And this is the best one. This is even black. And now I have to only cut in there the small amount of that, and this area was just 3 times bigger than that one, and that's I go in this area in here, and I like this like marker. And then when we have sharp this knife, this cutting is so easy. Okay, and now we have this our spare part. Okay, And this is really our spare part, what we install in this my car seat. This is in that side. And next we have to go install this, and this is really Honda's front seats cover. And there is even this heated element, like heated front seat. And now I can use this like in spare part, and then we go to install this part in my seat. And let's go to look at how this happens with my knife. And there is really this position, and now I have to install this my spare part in here. And now I have to cut a little bit this my seat that I can install this part in here. Okay, and now we have nice view, and next I need my sharp knife, and I will cut a little bit that area that I can install this my spare part. And let's go to look at how this happens. Okay, now we have nice view, and I need to install this part in here, and that's I have to cut this like, I think that if I cut in this way, then I can. Now I do in here cutting. I do like hole in this my current this seat in that way. And now there is nice cut, and then I install this my spare part in here below in that way. Look. Okay, and now I check that it goes nicely, and look, now it's even better. But final thing is that I have to install in this glue in there, and this is final solution. And next I go to take my glue. Okay, and there is really this my glue, and then I need this specific compression tool that I can compress this glue, and there is this glue's nose that it goes nicely, and then I have to compress this secure seal that this glue opens. Now there is plastic glue in there, and then I install this my sharp nose, and soon glue goes out through this area, and I install this my glue in this my compression tool, and when I press this trigger, glue start to come in here. Look, black. Now it comes in here, and now there is glue. Excellent in this nose. And now I have to install this glue in little bit in here in this area that this is secure, and let's go to look closer at what I am doing. Okay, and now I start to work so that I install this glue in this inner area in here, because this glue is very important, like in that way, and also in here. Good. And then I install this glue also in here, because this position, it must to be in nicely. Excellent. And then when glue is there, I have to use my fingers and install these things nicely back in that way. Okay, looks nice. And now this my result is quite nice. It is better than this starting point if we look in little bit upper view, but then I can install in there little bit more, and now I have to press that this is plain, that there is no any dents in here. And now after that I have to clean my fingers because this Sika is so durable stuff. And now I believe that now this thing is ready. Look. And I have to let this to dry like one night. Okay, excellent. And if these spots and these particles start to open, we can add in here more glue. But now it is much better than before, because now there is no this white cigarette hole, and actually, and also this white mattress is now away because there is the spare part. Excellent. Can you maybe repair this better? You can send to me better video, but I think that this is now better than starting point. And let's look a little bit far away. And now when we look our seat, we can't anymore see in there this white dot and hole. And now this looks much better than in starting point. And when it dries, we can add in here a little bit this paint, put a similar paint like this white, and then this area is almost invisible thing. Good. Thank you. And thank you for watching that video.